Hi, welcome back to the Trying Dutchman. Something slightly different. Cooking Brussels sprouts. I know winter projects are a little bit slack, so well, stay in the kitchen. Always liked Brussels sprouts the way Kim told us to make it, but this time add some bacon. Cut them in half, put them on a cookie sheet. Don't forget to spice them with whatever you want. I put a little layer of broth on there. Always the pepper is good. Look at my spice drawing. Love it. Slice the bacon in small little chunks. Add the garlic, olive oil. Fry a little bit of the bacon out. Otherwise it becomes too greasy and all that. And then you sprinkle them on the Brussels sprouts. The Brussels sprouts will then go in the oven, but it's going to be too much, so we added little potatoes. I love those. 5 minutes in the microwave, comes with season. Love it. And there you go. The remaining bacon goes on the potatoes, the Brussels sprouts, bacon, everything in there. I put it on 300, I don't know. Let it be, look in there. If the bacon becomes a little bit crispy, there you go, you're done. Eet smakelijk. Love it. Hey, see you next time. I'll keep on cooking for a while instead of the other stuff. Enjoy!
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.